Hello, welcome to Homestead in the Colony. I'm Ann, and I'm so glad that you're here. Now, today we are not in our homestead. We are in another area. I'm at my daughter and son in law's home, but I wanted to share something with you. We had a little cutting from a fig tree from our home. Look at there. And that little fig tree is just showing off. Look at here. Oh my gosh. You see all those little babies in there? This little girl thinks that she's grown. Isn't that crazy? It's wonderful. All right, so this is where the neighborhood garden is, and it's struggling a little bit because it's towards the end of its time. But we also have another little garden. When I was planting all these seedlings and things, we were trying to figure out a way to share. And so we shared some of our plants from Homestead in the Colony to over in Sneed's Ferry. Now, you'll see the little dog. He is chasing frogs, having himself a big old time. So we do have some tomato plants. Obviously, that was something I could share. And we also have some pepper plants, some jalapeno pepper plants. We replanted some cucumbers. They're not doing all that great. But they're there. You never know. You never know, right? It's important to be able to share knowledge with our family members and with our grandchildren, to be able to help them grow their own food. And I'm so glad to have everyone here. So what we're going to do is walk out front where the neighborhood garden is. That's been struggling a little bit too. This is an area that is Sneed's Ferry, and it's above Wilmington but below Jacksonville, and so it's hotter here than it is at my home. So here's the neighborhood garden. It's still going. The basil has gone to seed, but it still smells so glorious here. Our strawberries, the strawberries are still doing well. We're getting ready to pull the kale today, and it's been so much fun being around these young people and being able to be a part of their neighborhood garden. So thank you so much for coming to Homestead in the Colony. I'm Ann, and I want you to take care, and I hope to see you soon. Y'all keep growing now. Fall garden time.